How to enable night light on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can enable your night light on Windows 11. Now, simply click on Start menu and head over to your settings. Once at settings, make sure you are on the system and go to display. Now here you can find the option night light. Open it and here you can get a couple of options. You can either turn it on or turn off, or you can choose the strength or change the strength of the light, or you can schedule it to sunset to sunrise, which is 6:37 p.m. to 5:26 a.m., or you can set hours manually. Well, I would prefer sunset to sunrise, which makes a lot of sense to me, and you can simply click on turn on now. This way you can enable or disable your night light on Windows 11. The other way that you can enable night light on your Windows 11 is click on these tabs that you can see on the bottom right of your screen, and here you'll find the option night light. You can simply enable it from here or disable it. So this way you can enable or disable night light on your Windows 11. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.